Hope you had a good Tuesday. It was a day that featured fog for much of the day in the Red River Valley. That fog finally lifted this afternoon. Didn't really help warm those temperatures up very much, though we did see a little bit of sunshine in most areas. As we look at our first alert weather day, this is coming up for Friday. And I know we've got a couple days before we get there, which I think we'll enjoy, but let's jump to that. So here's what we've got for you. Again, the system moving in what we know is late Thursday. And when I say late, I'm talking around midnight and then into Friday, right through Friday afternoon. Winds are going to be strong throughout much of that period, 30+ miles per hour. Now, this is not expected to be by any means a major winter storm. The issue is going to be those slick roads we're going to get with generally limited precipitation. Now, here's what's a little uncertain. Again, models flipping things up. In fact, just the last 3 model runs, we've seen it go pretty strong in terms of the amount of rain snow we're going to see. Then it really backed off. Now it's kind of picking back up steam a little bit. So we know we're going to get precipitation. We know it's going to be warm, so we're not going to see any accumulating snow. It is going to be what we have on those roadways. How slick is it going to be? How far south are those roads going to be slick? We're pretty sure we know it's going to be in those northern areas. So again, the potential for all areas to see some slick travel is going to be there on Friday, but the odds get better and better increase as we go farther north. So we're looking at 3 a.m. Friday morning, already seeing the potential for it from Thief River Falls down to about Detroit Lakes. That potential for some light mix of accumulation, light snow, light rain, snow mix. Then things calm down a little bit. Now what we're looking at is a little hook coming back through later on Friday, generally snow. And again, this is not going to accumulate too much, but those roads, that's what we're going to watch. How slick are they going to be before the system exits the region by Friday evening? Current conditions right now, I've got 28 in Fargo, south-southeast wind at 9 miles per hour. So it feels like 19, certainly a little bit of a chill out there, as you might expect this time of night, this time of year. It is December. Grand Forks 23, feels like 12 with that south-southeast wind at 10 miles per hour. A lot of 22s, 23s across the board there in Minnesota. We've got 28 in Fargo right now. First alert forecast heading into the overnight hours. Winds are going to turn out of the south. Again, those temperatures are going to slowly warm overnight so that by 7 a.m., 8 a.m. tomorrow, we're sitting around freezing. And watch this jump. By 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, Fargo can be at 53 degrees, 54 Jamestown, 53 Valley City. Got some low to mid 40s out there as well. Those numbers are still about 15 to 20 degrees above the norm depending on where you're located. And then the same story for your Thursday. We're going to get temperatures very similar to what we have here on the board right now. Another day featuring sunshine. We look at our temperature trend for the next 11 days and it just continues to be above normal. It's really how much above the norm are we going to be? That's really the only question. Again, that goes right through next Saturday. So we've got 53 tomorrow, 52 on Thursday. Even on Friday, we've got the first alert weather day, that chance of rain, snow mix. Again, look at the high temperature though, 42 degrees. So we're not going to see accumulation. Again, it's about those slick roads. Saturday, Sunday, 35 and 32. Next week, continues to look pretty dry. Maybe a few snowflakes on Monday. Otherwise, just kind of same old in terms of temperatures above normal.
We will take it. Let's keep going with this pattern. Thanks, Russ.
Got it.
After the